Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Suzuki C50 Boulevard. This middleweight cruiser has just a little over 10,500 miles on it and is still in great shape. Got some scuffs on the rear fenders and a scuff on the back of the mirror. Doesn't really tell the telltale signs that it's been tipped over, but I'll show you what I found and you can make your own decision. This bike is pretty much all stock other than the OEM footboards and the heel toe shifter that was put on it. Excuse me. So we have a little scuff scrape there. Footboards for the driver. So here's a little scrape patch on the back of this mirror. We've got some light scraping along these back fender here. Almost like maybe they had saddlebags on it at one time, or because that's kind of the telltale signs up here too, that maybe they had a set of saddlebags on it that they took off. Some light scuffing along that. I mean, this back tire looks almost new, so that's in really good shape. And again, footboards for the driver, along with that OEM heel toe shifter. Oh, and this back fender's got that little spots in it too, so. When this bike goes through inspection, service will be putting a new front tire on it. $10,519 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This C50 Boulevard will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course the accessories you want for it. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.